Welcome to our video on how to use cold exposure in a standard apartment shower. Cold exposure, often referred to as cold therapy, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including improved circulation, increased alertness, and even boosting your immune system. But many people wonder how they can practice cold exposure safely and effectively in their own homes, especially in a typical apartment setting. Today, we'll walk you through practical steps, safety tips, and the science behind cold showers, making it accessible for everyone. Let's start by understanding what cold exposure is and why it matters. Cold showers aren't just about braving discomfort, they offer a range of health benefits. Regular cold exposure can help reduce inflammation, improve mood, and enhance recovery after exercise. Studies suggest that cold showers may increase endorphin levels, leading to a feeling of well-being. Additionally, cold water stimulates circulation, which can be beneficial for cardiovascular health. In apartment settings, cold showers are a convenient way to access these benefits without needing specialized equipment. Let's explore how you can start integrating cold showers into your daily routine. Before you jump into a cold shower, preparation is key. Start by setting your intention. Are you looking to wake up, recover from exercise, or simply challenge yourself? Make sure your shower is clean and free of hazards. Have a towel and warm clothes ready for after your session. If you're new to cold exposure, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Begin with a mindset of curiosity and gradual adaptation, rather than forcing yourself into extreme discomfort. Safety comes first when practicing cold exposure. Cold showers can be intense, especially for beginners. If you have cardiovascular issues, respiratory problems, or are pregnant, consult your doctor before starting. Avoid cold showers if you feel unwell or dizzy. Always listen to your body. If you experience numbness, excessive shivering, or discomfort, stop immediately and warm up. Keep your shower area slip-free and avoid standing for too long under cold water. Remember, gradual adaptation is safer and more effective. In a standard apartment shower, you can easily adjust the water temperature. Start with lukewarm water and gradually decrease the temperature until it feels cold but tolerable. Most apartment showers allow for precise control, so you can experiment to find your ideal cold exposure level. Aim for a temperature between 10 degrees C and 20 degrees C, 50 degrees F to 68 degrees F for optimal benefits. If your shower doesn't get cold enough, try running the water for a few minutes or showering during cooler times of the day. If you're new to cold exposure, gradual adaptation is crucial. Begin by ending your regular shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Over time, increase the duration and decrease the starting temperature. This approach helps your body adjust to the cold, reducing shock and discomfort. Consistency is key. Practice daily or several times a week to build tolerance. Remember, it's not a competition. Listen to your body and progress at your own pace for sustainable results. Breathing is a powerful tool during cold exposure. When you first step into cold water, your body may react with rapid, shallow breaths. Focus on slow, deep breathing to calm your nervous system and reduce discomfort. Try inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, counting to 4 on each breath. This technique helps you stay relaxed and increases your tolerance. Practicing mindful breathing can make cold showers more manageable and even enjoyable. How long should you stay under cold water? For beginners, start with 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you build tolerance, aim for 2 to 5 minutes. Longer exposure isn't always better. Quality matters more than quantity. Use a timer or count breaths to track your session. If you feel uncomfortable or cold beyond your limit, step out and warm up. Over time, you'll find your ideal duration for maximum benefits without risking discomfort or safety. After your cold shower, it's important to warm up. Dry off quickly and dress in warm clothes. Gentle movement, like stretching or light exercise, can help restore body temperature. Drinking a warm beverage is another way to comfort yourself. Avoid hot showers immediately after, as this can cause rapid temperature shifts. Instead, let your body naturally return to normal warmth. This post-shower routine ensures you stay comfortable and supports recovery. Cold exposure activates your body's stress response, triggering the release of adrenaline and endorphins. It also stimulates brown fat, which helps generate heat and burn calories. Research shows that regular cold showers can improve immune function and reduce symptoms of depression. The science behind cold exposure is still evolving, but many people report feeling more energized and resilient after consistent practice. Understanding these mechanisms can motivate you to stick with your cold shower routine. Cold showers aren't just physical, they offer mental benefits too. Facing discomfort builds mental resilience and discipline. Many people find that cold exposure helps them manage stress, anxiety, and even improve focus. The sense of accomplishment after finishing a cold shower can boost confidence and mood. Over time, you may notice greater emotional stability and a more positive outlook. Embracing cold exposure is a simple way to strengthen both body and mind. Cold exposure in the shower can improve physical health in several ways. It enhances circulation, reduces muscle soreness, and may support weight management by activating brown fat. Athletes often use cold showers for faster recovery and reduced inflammation. Even if you're not an athlete, regular cold showers can help you feel more energized and refreshed. These physical benefits make cold exposure a valuable addition to your daily routine. Setting up your apartment shower for cold exposure is simple. Make sure your shower head allows for easy temperature adjustment. Clear the area of any slippery items and ensure good drainage. If your shower doesn't get cold enough, try running the water longer or showering during cooler times. You don't need any special equipment, just a standard shower and a willingness to try something new. This makes cold exposure accessible for apartment dwellers everywhere. Integrating cold exposure into your daily routine is straightforward. Choose a time that works for you. Morning showers can boost alertness, while evening sessions may help with recovery. Start with short bursts of cold water and gradually increase duration. Pair cold showers with other wellness practices, like meditation or stretching, for added benefits. Consistency is more important than intensity, so make cold exposure a regular part of your lifestyle. Tracking your cold exposure progress can help you stay motivated. Keep a journal or use a simple checklist to record shower duration, temperature, and how you feel afterward. Note improvements in mood, energy, or recovery. Over time, you'll see patterns and can adjust your routine for optimal results. Sharing your progress with friends or online communities can also provide encouragement and accountability. Cold exposure can be challenging, especially at first. You may experience discomfort, shivering, or resistance to starting. These feelings are normal and usually decrease with practice. If you struggle, try focusing on your breathing or distracting yourself with music. Remember, gradual adaptation is key. If your apartment shower doesn't get cold enough, supplement with ice packs or cold face washes. Overcoming these challenges will make cold exposure more enjoyable and rewarding. If you're new to cold exposure, start slow. Begin with short bursts of cold water at the end of your shower. Gradually increase duration and decrease temperature as you build confidence. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone adapts differently. Celebrate small victories, like completing your first minute or feeling more energized. With patience and consistency, cold exposure will become a natural part of your routine. For those experienced with cold exposure, you can try longer sessions or colder temperatures. Experiment with different shower times, like early mornings or after workouts. Combine cold showers with breathing techniques for deeper benefits. If you want to challenge yourself further, consider alternating between hot and cold water. Always prioritize safety and listen to your body. Advanced practices should be approached with caution and respect. There are many myths about cold exposure. Some believe it's dangerous or only for athletes, but research shows it's safe for most people when done properly. Others think cold showers must be extreme to be effective, but gradual adaptation is best. Cold exposure doesn't cure all ailments, but it can support overall wellness. Understanding the facts helps you practice cold exposure confidently and safely. Cold showers can be a great addition to your exercise routine. After a workout, cold exposure helps reduce muscle soreness and speeds up recovery. Try showering with cold water after intense activity for maximum benefits. Pairing cold exposure with stretching or foam rolling can further enhance recovery. Always listen to your body and avoid cold showers if you feel overly fatigued or unwell. Cold exposure can influence sleep quality. Some people find that cold showers in the evening help them relax and sleep better, while others prefer morning sessions for alertness. Experiment with timing to see what works for you. Avoid cold showers right before bed if they make you feel too energized. Tracking your sleep patterns can help you optimize your routine for better rest. Cold exposure is believed to boost immune function. Studies suggest that regular cold showers may increase white blood cell count and enhance resistance to illness. While more research is needed, many people report fewer colds and improved overall health with consistent practice. Cold exposure is not a substitute for medical care, but it can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Cold showers can benefit your skin by tightening pores and reducing inflammation. Some people notice improved complexion and reduced redness. Cold water may also help regulate oil production, making it useful for those with oily skin. However, avoid excessive cold exposure if you have sensitive skin or certain skin conditions. Always moisturize after your shower to maintain skin health. Cold exposure is known to boost mood and energy. The shock of cold water triggers endorphin release, leading to a sense of well-being. Many people report feeling more alert and positive after cold showers. If you're feeling sluggish or stressed, a cold shower can be a quick way to reset your mood. Consistent practice may lead to lasting improvements in mental health. Cold showers stimulate circulation by causing blood vessels to constrict and then dilate. This process can improve cardiovascular health and promote faster recovery. Enhanced circulation may also help reduce swelling and support overall wellness. If you have circulation issues, consult your doctor before starting cold exposure. Otherwise, regular cold showers can be a simple way to boost your body's natural processes. Cold exposure may support weight management by activating brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat. While cold showers alone won't lead to significant weight loss, they can complement a healthy lifestyle. Pair cold exposure with balanced nutrition and regular exercise for best results. Remember, sustainable weight management requires a holistic approach, not just one practice. Cold showers can sharpen your focus and mental clarity. The shock of cold water stimulates your nervous system, helping you feel more alert and attentive. Many people use cold exposure as a morning ritual to kickstart productivity. If you need a mental boost, try a cold shower before work or study. Over time, you may notice improved concentration and cognitive performance. Practicing cold exposure builds resilience, both physically and mentally. Facing discomfort in the shower translates to greater confidence in other areas of life. You learn to manage stress, adapt to challenges, and stay calm under pressure. Cold exposure is a simple but powerful way to strengthen your ability to handle adversity. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress. Cold exposure is a versatile wellness tool. It supports physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Whether you're seeking energy, recovery, or stress relief, cold showers can help. Integrate cold exposure with other wellness practices for a balanced lifestyle. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Enjoy the journey and discover what works best for you. In summary, cold exposure in a standard apartment shower is accessible, safe, and beneficial for most people. By starting gradually, practicing mindful breathing, and integrating cold showers into your routine, you can enjoy improved health and resilience. Remember to prioritize safety, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress. Cold exposure is a journey. Embrace the challenge and discover the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your cold exposure adventure.